So, the latest $1 billion kid on the block is Bird. And the reason why it's a $1 billion startup is this. So, this is the Xiaomi Mi 365 electric scooter. And it is retailing right now on Walmart at $349 plus a few taxes depending on which state do you order it. And today is the 1st of August, so there you go. Now you know the price of this. Now let's open this baby up and see how to assemble it. So here is what comes out of the box. This is the actual scooter. You might want to open the stand here so that it stands. And now you have to assemble it a little bit. Yeah, it comes in black. I'm told that it also comes in silver white color, but in Walmart there was no option to get another color. So that is all that you have. Looks like there is an instruction manual here.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now let's see if all the buttons are working right. One press, it's supposed to turn on. After it's turned on, if you press once, the lights will be turned on. Yeah, the light is working, and the rear light there. When you brake, it's supposed to blink. These are disc brakes right here. And this is not a brake, you're not supposed to put your leg on this. It's written no step. Alright, so if you press it twice, green is the energy saving mode. Super easy to ride and it's fun. Let's get back in, install the app, charge the batteries, and then we'll take it for a spin outside. See ya.